Yo, what's up guys? So imagine this, you're editing in Photoshop, everything looks normal, colors are fine, and then out of nowhere, your whole screen turns black and white. Now you're like, bro, what did I just press? You hit Ctrl plus Z, nothing. You go to image and mode, you check if it's on grayscale, but it's already on RGB color. So now you're confused because technically nothing is wrong, but your screen is still black and white. Don't worry, Photoshop is not broken. You probably pressed this by accident, Ctrl plus 3. When you press Ctrl plus 3, Photoshop selects only the red channel. That's why everything looks black and white or weird. To fix it instantly, just press Ctrl plus 2 and boom, your colors are back. Super simple. If that doesn't work, here's the manual way. Go to the channels panel next to layers. You'll see RGB, red, green, blue. If only one channel is selected, that's the issue. Just click on RGB at the top so all channels are active again. And that's it. Problem solved. This happens all the time if you accidentally press keyboard shortcuts while editing, so don't panic next time.